The alternator in your car is responsible for recharging your car's battery and powering the electrical system. If your headlights aren't as bright as they usually are, your car's electrical system isn't working properly. Or you're having trouble starting your car. Those could all be signs that your alternator isn't working properly. Fortunately, you can easily test your car's alternator to see if it's working using a voltmeter, which is an instrument that measures voltage. Before you test the alternator, you'll need to make sure your car's battery is fully charged. Turn your car off, pop the hood, and connect the voltmeter's positive probe to the positive terminal on the battery and the negative probe to the negative terminal on the battery. Then, check the reading on the voltmeter. If it's less than 12.2, you'll need to charge your battery before you can test the alternator. Otherwise, have a helper start your car and rev the engine to 1500 RPM. Check the reading on the voltmeter again. The voltage should increase by 0.5 and 2 volts to around 13.6 to 15.8. If the reading stays the same or drops, that means the alternator isn't charging and you may need a new one. If the reading is more than 2 volts higher, that could mean that your alternator is overcharging. Either way, take your car to an auto repair shop to find out what's wrong.